Hello, today we will guide you through insert video title here. Let's get started by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load completely so all tabs and data populate. If you're new to the platform, the interface may feel busy, but we'll focus on just the areas you need for backtesting. Thinkorswim's backtesting is done through a feature called ThinkBack, which lets you look at historical market data and explore how trades might have performed on past dates. Once the platform is open, head to the Analyze section. You'll find Analyze along the main navigation near the top of the screen. Clicking Analyze opens a workspace dedicated to scenario planning, risk analysis, and historical exploration. It's the right place to be when you want to evaluate trade ideas without placing live orders. Inside Analyze, choose the ThinkBack tool. ThinkBack is specifically designed for reviewing past market conditions. It reconstructs the option chain and pricing environment for a prior date so you can examine what the market looked like and how a strategy might have behaved. If it's your first time in ThinkBack, take a brief moment to notice the layout. You'll typically see a symbol entry field, a date selector, and the option chain that updates to reflect your chosen moment in time. Next, select a sample symbol. In the symbol field, type the ticker you want to explore and confirm it loads. Picking a familiar stock or ETF helps you interpret what you're seeing because you likely remember big moves or events on that name. After the symbol loads, the option chain area will be ready to display historical strikes, expirations, and prices once you set your date. If the chain doesn't appear as expected, double-check the ticker spelling and ensure you're still on the ThinkBack view within Analyze. Now select a sample backdate. Use the date selector to choose a past trading day you want to review. Keep in mind that markets are closed on weekends and holidays, so if you pick a non-trading day, just nudge the calendar to the nearest prior session. When the date is set, ThinkBack refreshes the option chain and Greeks to match what was available then, allowing you to study pricing in that historical context. This is especially useful for comparing implied volatility levels, reviewing how premiums shifted around earnings, or simply assessing whether a strategy would have met your risk and reward expectations. That's it. By opening Thinkorswim, navigating to Analyze, entering ThinkBack, choosing a symbol, and setting a backdate, you've prepared a clean environment to investigate historical market setups and refine your approach with confidence.